Hi everyone, welcome back to the second part of the Brunswick state. So in this state we have total 8 quizzes and we have already covered first 4 quizzes in the first part of this video which can be found in the description. And in this video we are going to cover the next 4 quizzes and I am going to start with the fifth one. So let's get started. So I am going to click on traffic rules quiz number 5. So welcome to your new Brunswick practice learners test rule number 5. So I'm going to click on next. Here we go. The first question of quiz number 5 is a red signal light with a green arrow is shown at an intersection indicates. The right answer of this question is proceed with cautions in the direction of arrow. So I am going to select the third one, which should be the right one. Yeah, next. The second question of quiz number 5 is under all conditions, you should drive at a speed that will allow you to. The right answer of this question is stop within a safe distance. So let's click on the third one. Yeah, this is the correct one. Next. The third question is the driver of a motor vehicle is not permitted to carry in a house or boat trailer. So the right answer is persons. So I'm going to click on first one. This should be the right one. Yeah. Next. The fourth question is if your vehicle becomes disabled on highway, you should. The right answer of this question is pull over, enable your emergency flasher and wait for help. So let's click on the second option. Correct. And now I'm going to move to the question number 5. The fifth question is most skids are the result of driver error. Skids may occur when you can choose three answers from this question. So the first right option is B, which is accelerate too fast. The next right option is driving too fast, and the next right option is brake too hard. So you can select from B, C, D. So I'm going to select the third one, which is driving too fast. Yeah, this is the right one. And next. The sixth question of quiz number 5 is a flashing yellow beacon above an intersection. The right answer of this question is warns you to drive with caution. So I'm going to select the last one. Yeah, next. When the traffic signal light facing you is red and you intend to go straight through the intersection, what must you do first? The right answer of this question is stop, wait until the light changes to green and the intersection is clear before moving through it. So let's click on the third one. Next. The eighth question is on a roadway where traffic is moving in both directions, in what position must you be before making a left turn? The right answer of this question is immediately to the right of the center line of the roadway. So let's click on the first option. This should be the right one. Yeah, this is the right answer. Next. A flashing green light at the intersection where turns to the left and right are permitted indicates. So again you can choose three answers from this question. So the first right option is B. You may turn to the left if the way is clear. The next option is also correct one. You may turn to the right if the way is clear. And the last option is also correct. You may proceed straight through it if the way is clear. So I am going to select the last one. This is the right one. And next. The 10th question of quiz number 5 of Brunswick State is what you cannot see in your vehicle, rear and side view mirror is said to be in your. The right answer of this question is blind spot. So let's click on the last one. This should be the right one. Yeah, next. The 11th question is which of the following has the right of way over all other at an intersection when the light is green? The right answer of this question is pedestrians crossing with the light. So let's click on the last one. Yeah, this is the right one. And next. When entering a freeway, you should. The right answer is signal and increase your speed to merge smoothly with traffic. So let's click on the second option, which should be the right one. Yeah, this is the correct one. And let's move to the third last question of quiz number 5, which is upon approaching a stop sign, what does the law require you to do before entering an intersection? The right answer of this question is stop, and when it is safe to do so, proceed. So let's click on the third one. Yeah, next. The second last question of quiz number 5 is when on streets designed for two-way traffic, if you hear the siren of an emergency vehicle, what does the law require you to do? The right answer of this question is pull to the right as far as possible and stop. So let's click on the second option. Next, the last question is if a traffic signal changes while a pedestrian is still on the street, which of the following has the right of way? The right answer of this question is pedestrian. So I'm going to click on the last one. This is the correct one, and this is also the end of quiz number 5 of Brunswick State. Hi everyone. I welcome you on one of the best platform in which you are going to practice driving tests for different Canadian states. And before starting the video, I would like to mention that don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Congratulations, you have completed your 5 quizzes of Brunswick State, and now we are going to move to the quiz number 6, and let's click on traffic rule quiz number 6. Welcome to your new Brunswick practice learners test rule number 6. So let's click on next. Here we go. The first question is, the most important part of driving a curve or corner is to. The right answer of this question is slow down before you get to it. So let's click on the first one. Next one. The second question is, in what lane of traffic should you drive when you intend to make a right hand turn? The right answer of this question is close to the right side of the roadway. So let's click on the first option. Next. If a tire blows out, the right answer of this question is take your foot off the gas pedal to slow down and steer the vehicle firmly in the direction you want to go. So let's click on the third option. Yeah, this is the correct one. And next. Before moving from a parked position, the right answer of this question is always signal and check for traffic, pulling out only when it is safe to do so. So I'm going to select the first option. Yes, this is correct answer. And next. The fifth question of quiz number 7 of Brunswick State is, a solid line at the left of your lane means. The right answer is it is unsafe to pass. So I'm going to select the third one. Next. In what position on the roadway must you be before marking a left turn from a one-way traffic street? The right answer of this question is close to the left side of the roadway. So I'm going to select the last option, which is looking like the right one. Yeah, this is the correct one. And next. When a right turn against a red signal light is permitted, what does the law require you to do before entering the intersection and making a turn? So the right answer of this question is you may turn right on the red light only after coming to a complete stop and waiting until the way is clear. So looking like the longest one is the right option. Yeah, next. Never change lanes without. The right answer is signaling, checking the rear view mirror and checking blind spots. So I'm going to select the first option. Next. A flashing red beacon above an intersection means. The right answer is you must come to a complete stop, move through the intersection only when it is safe to do so. So I'm going to select the second one. This is the right one. And next. When parking facing downhill, the right answer is turn your front wheels toward the curb or right shoulder. So let's click on the second one. Next. During poor weather conditions such as rain, snow, smoke, and fog, use your headlights on. The right answer is low beam. Next. Pedestrians have the right of way at both marked and unmarked crosswalk. The right answer is true. Next. The third last question of quiz number 6 is, when may you lend your driver's license? The right answer of this question is never. Next. On approaching an intersection where a traffic signal light is red and a policeman motion you to go through, you should. The right answer of this question is obey the policeman's signal and proceed. So I'm going to select the last one. Next. The last question of quiz number 6 is, the best way to stop quickly on a wet or icy roadway is to. The right answer is brake. If wheels lock, then release pressure until you come to a stop. So I'm going to select the first one. This should be the right one. Yeah, this is the correct answer. And this is the end of quiz number 6 of Brunswick State. And this is the end of quiz number 6. This is for your kind information that we are also providing PDF files with questions and answers. So if you need these questions and answers in PDF format, feel free to contact on our email mentioned in the description section. And we are also active on our social media pages. So you can also contact with us there for any type of help. Thank you. Congratulations, you have completed your first 6 quizzes of Brunswick State, and now it's time to move to the quiz number 7. So I'm going to click on traffic rules quiz number 7. Welcome to your new Brunswick practice learners test rule number 7. So this is the second last quiz and we are going to move forward and click on next. Here we go. The first question of quiz number 7 is, the safest place in a car to position any infant or child restraint system is in the right answer is center of the back seat. So I'm going to select the second option. Next. If two vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled intersection at approximately the same time the right of way should be given to? The right answer of this question is vehicle approaching from the right. So I'm going to select the second option. The third question of quiz number 7 is the hand and arm signal for slowing or stopping is indicated by. The right answer of this question is arm out and down. So let's click on the fourth one. Next, the fourth question is a broken line at the left of your lane means. The right answer of this question is you may pass if the way is clear. So I'm going to click on the last option, which is looking like the right one. Yeah, this is the correct one. And next, the fifth question of quiz number 7 is unless you want to turn left or pass another vehicle, you should. The right answer of this question is keep to the right of the road or in the right hand lane on multi lane roads. So let's click on the first one. Next, the sixth question is it is more dangerous to drive at the maximum speed limit at night than during the daytime because. The right answer is you cannot see as far ahead even with headlights. So let's click on the last option. Yeah. Next. When it is safe to do so, passing other vehicle on right side. The right answer is permitted when the street or highway has two or more lanes for traffic in the direction you are traveling. So let's click on the third option and this should be the right one. Yeah, this is correct. And next. The eighth question of quiz number 7 is if the signal light changes from green to amber as you approach an intersection, what should you do? The right answer of this question is stop. If stop cannot be made safely, proceed with caution. So let's click on the last option. Yeah, next. Upon approaching a yield sign, what does the law require you to do? The right answer of ninth question is slow down, stop if necessary, and go only when the way is clear. So I'm going to select the second option. Next, the 10th question of Brunswick State quiz number 7 is when you approach an intersection on a main road and the intersection is blocked with traffic, you should. The right answer of this question is stop before entering the intersection and wait until traffic ahead moves on. So I'm going to click on the second option. Next. What should you do when a car is stopped at a marked crosswalk to allow a pedestrian to cross? The right answer of this question is do not pass any vehicle within 30 meters of a pedestrian crossover. So looking like the second option is the right answer. Yeah. Next. When deciding to make a U-turn, your first consideration should be to check. The right answer of this question is traffic regulations. So I'm going to select the first option. Next. The third last question of quiz number 7 is what must a driver do before entering a highway from a private road or driveway? The right answer of this question is yield right of way to all vehicles approaching on the highway. So I'm going to select the first option. Yeah, this is the right one. And next, the second last question is you should use low beam headlights when driving a vehicle at night when. The right answer is meeting or following another vehicle. So I'm going to select the third one. Next, the last question is hydroplaning can cause your vehicle to skid. The term hydroplaning means. The right answer of this question is your tires ride on top of the water like water skis. So I'm going to select the first one. This is the correct answer, and this is the end of quiz number 7 of Brunswick State. One thing I would like to mention here that this is super important instead of just watching a video. Practice these quizzes yourself on canadianpracticetest.com. To be honest, we built this website specially to educate our viewers and make this test easy for our audience. Thank you. Congratulations, you have completed your first 7 quizzes of Brunswick State, and in this state we have total 8 quizzes, and now we are going to move to the last one, which is number 8. So let's click on traffic rules quiz number 8. Welcome to your new Brunswick Practice Learners Test rule number 8. So I'm going to click on the next. Here we go. The first question of last quiz is winter traction is affected by slippery conditions. In winter, drivers should drive. The right answer of this question is slower. Next, what should you do if you feel drowsy while driving? The right answer of this question is stop for a short rest in a safe area. So I'm going to select the third one. Next, the third question of last quiz is the accessible parking permit. The right answer of this question is issued to an individual entitles the vehicle in which it is displayed to be parked in a designated disabled parking space. So I'm going to select the third one. Next, the fourth question is coming to a complete stop at an intersection is required, but where do you stop if there is no stop line, crosswalk, or sidewalk? The right answer of this question is stop at the edge of the intersection. So I'm going to select the second one. And next, the fifth question is If there are continuity lines to the right of your vehicle in the lane you are in, what must you do? The right answer of this question is you are not required to do anything unless you want to exit. Your lane is unaffected. So let's click on the second option. Next, the sixth question of last quiz is what should you do if you become stranded in snow? The right answer of sixth question is run your vehicle engine for approximately 5 minutes every hour to avoid effects of carbon monoxide. So I'm going to select the second one. Next, the seventh question is what should you do when exiting a freeway? The right answer of this question is signal, move into the deceleration lane, reduce speed gradually, and obey exit signs. So let's click on the last option. Next, road test failures may result from the right answer is any or all of the other answers mentioned. So I'm going to select the second option. This is the right one. And now we are going to move to the ninth question. And the question is when a police officer signals you to pull over, the right answer is you must pull over as far to the right as you safely can and come to a complete stop. So let's click on the third option. This is the correct one. And now let's move to the 10th question. Why must you use signals when turning? So you can choose three answers from this question. And the first right option is A, which is to send out an alert of your intention. And the last one is also a correct option to advise pedestrians of what you want to do. So I'm going to select the last one. You can choose any one of them. Next, what is the safest action to take when your vehicle drives over black ice? The right answer is calmly remove your foot off the accelerator and steer in the direction you want to go. So let's click on the third option. Next, the 12th question is if a front tire goes flat, your vehicle will pull strongly to the right answer is side that has the flat tire. So I'm going to select the third one. Next, the third last question of last quiz is wearing a seatbelt in a collision can. The right answer is decrease your chance of being injured or killed. So I'm going to select the second option, which should be the right one. Yeah, right. Next, the second last question is what is meant by overdriving your headlights? The right answer is you go so fast that your stopping distance is farther than you can see with your headlights. So I'm going to select the third one. Next, the last question is vehicles equipped with ABS should provide controlled braking on slippery surfaces automatically. The right answer is true. This is the correct one, and this is the end of quiz number 8. And I congratulate all of you that you have completed all 8 quizzes of Brunswick State. Thank you.